Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You will be seeing a workshop of acrylic pour painting done by artist Archana Dolzy. Artist Archana has used all bottle acrylic colors. She has taken light blue, then white, Prussian blue, light green, fluorescent pink are also used. After pouring white is being spread in between. Those who are interested in buying this type of abstract paintings on canvas can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video. And I teach online classes for professional courses. Do see my other videos for my other exclusive artworks. I take orders also. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oregano flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, faces, birds, and many more. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques in black and white of 65 pages, and those who are interested can contact and buy this book from me. After pouring all these colors, hair dryer is used to spread these colors. Technique of thread pulling is also used. Subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.